What if a king chose to become a dragon after his death? It may sound like a legend, but in Korea, this story has been passed down for more than 1,300 years. This is the parking area for Gameunsa Temple Site in Gyeongju. From here, it's just a short walk to the ancient temple ruins. Shall we explore them together? More than 1,300 years ago, this was one of the most important Buddhist temples of the Silla Kingdom. King Munmu united the three kingdoms of Korea. Before he died, he left one final wish. He asked for his ashes to be scattered into the East Sea, believing he would become a dragon and continue protecting his kingdom forever. His son, King Sinmun, completed this temple in 682 to honor his father's wish. Ancient records describe a special passage beneath the temple's main hall, where the Dragon King was believed to enter. Although the temple buildings disappeared long ago, its magnificent twin stone pagoda still stand proudly today, watching over this land for more than 13 centuries. Just a 4-minute drive from Gameunsa Temple, you'll arrive at the East Sea. Off the coast lies King Munmu's underwater tomb, where the king is believed to rest beneath the waves. According to his final wish, he became a dragon to protect his kingdom forever. Even today, many Koreans visit this peaceful coastline to remember the king who chose to protect his people even after death. After visiting the resting place of King Munmu, it's time to enjoy another local experience. Right across the road, many travelers stop here for a bowl of seafood jjambbong, fresh crab, mussels, octopus, and rich spicy broth. It's the perfect meal after exploring Gyeongju's history. Right next door, there's another uniquely Korean experience. An unmanned cafe. Simply order your drink, pay by yourself, and relax while looking out over the East Sea. Sometimes, the smallest moments become the most unforgettable memories. Ancient history, a legendary king, delicious local food, and a beautiful view of the East Sea. This is Gyeongju, where history is never far away. Thank you for walking with me. I'll see you in the next Korea surprise.